You back up your computer, right? Now, I'm not here to judge, but if all you're doing is copying your data files to an external drive, then you could be at serious risk if, say, your hard drive were to crash or your OS were to become corrupt. Almost everyone has heard of Time Machine, and many Mac users set it up to regularly back up their computer. Bravo if you do. This means that everything on your drive is being backed up. That includes everything your computer needs to boot and run your operating system. What you're doing is what's called creating an image file. An image file is a very large compressed file that can be saved onto an external drive. Now, if your internal drive were to crash or become corrupted beyond repair, you would have to install a new drive and then restore the contents onto that new drive. The downside of this is that it can be time-consuming and can leave you without a computer while you have to dash out and buy a new drive and then do the reinstall. There is an option to imaging though, and it's called cloning. Carbon Copy Cloner and Super Duper for Mac are two cloning utilities we like that create an exact clone of your hard drive that you can save to an internal drive that's been made external. This means if your hard drive goes down, all you have to do is swap it with a backup drive and you're up and running again in minutes. So why choose an image backup over a clone? Well, disk images take up less space, meaning that you could save multiple copies of your backup, or you could back up several different computers onto one external drive. Now, if you're running a PC with Windows 7 or 8, you can use the backup tools that they've provided, but we'd like to recommend Macrium Reflect Free, and as the name says, it's free to use and it's very reliable. So now that you know the difference between imaging and cloning, you should have no excuse for not backing up your computer, right? All right, no judging.